Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video, shall be looking at how to get CapCut Pro for free. Yes, this about shall be looking at how you can easily get CapCut Pro for free. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store and then search for your CapCut. You need to update your CapCut to the latest version. So if you're using the old version of CapCut, update your CapCut and then use the latest version of your CapCut application. Now once you have updated your CapCut application, all you need to do is to open your CapCut and then click on new project. Now once you click on new project, select the video that you want to use. So let me select this video. Now once you have selected the video, let me add some effect and then select the Pro version. So select the Pro version, and now once you try to once you have selected the Pro version of this effect, once you try to export this video, it will be asking you to join the CapCut Pro. So you can use any effect, and after using the effect, it will be asking you to join the CapCut Pro. In order to export your video without joining the CapCut Pro, all you need to do is to click on this button over here. You can see the full screen button. Now you can see the video is now in the full screen. Once you are done, then you turn on your screen recorder and then record the video over here. Introduce a new application, which is the once you have recorded the video, just save the screen recorded video. And once you have recorded this video, you can just edit it from your gallery. You can just open your gallery, select the screen recorded video and then click on edit. You can even use choose to crop it, and that's it. And then click on done, or you can edit it, or you can just reverse it to its original state. With this, you can get CapCut Pro for free, or you can export your video without joining the CapCut Pro. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video